Welcome to installing the Silveride Driver app. Your local managers or dispatchers will give you a link, or you can look for Silveride Driver in your App Store. Install and open the app. Next, give all the permissions, including location, and be sure to choose Display over other apps. The Silveride Driver app requires location settings to be on all the time. Next, select the region you are working in. Enter your driver and vehicle number as well as the PIN you receive from your local manager. You will receive a notification that says Activation required by admin. Now text or call your local manager or dispatcher or Glenn to let us know that you are ready for admin activation. Once this is confirmed, you can log in normally.
Welcome to Silveride.
In the next videos, we'll cover using all the features of the app.